Good evening, everybody. This is Aniruddha, and I welcome you everyone to India's largest live learning platform, the one and only Gradeup. Hope all of you are safe. Let me know in the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible as well as visible. Okay. So just quickly let me know in the live chat section whether I am perfectly audible as well as visible. Hello Ratikanta, hello Aman, hello Abhinav. Okay, fine. So just we are going to start the session, but before that, please do hit the like button and share the session with other people so that everyone can actually enjoy this particular sessions. Hello Sashank, good evening. So today is a very important topic, I would say, that is for your gate 2022. And you can see also over here my telegram group link is just pinned over here, so in case you haven't joined that, just do join in the yellow bar top message that is pinned over here. So because all the links and everything is actually shared in my telegram group, so you can definitely have a look at that. Hello Simant, hello Nikam, Niraj, Rizwan, Mayank. तो चलिए से शुरू करते बिना किसी देर के. In case you haven't joined my telegram group yet, just do join. And the Gradeup Super is over here for the best courses, best possible courses in the most affordable rate, bringing before you Vision 2022, 2023, everything is there. Hello Ankita 1 and Ankita 2, both. Good evening. Okay. And 850 plus hours of live classes, 950 plus hours of live classes respectively in your preferred language, 2022, 2020, in your preferred language, English and Hindi. Both it's available and the most affordable rate. Just you have to call in this number 965005290 to get yourself the best results. Okay, hello Bharat, good evening. And currently the most good news is that Mission Possible 50% super duper flat off is going on Gradeup Super. So the best possible courses is available in the most affordable rate as well. So what are you waiting for? Just call in this number 965005290 and get yourself enrolled. First question is up on your screen. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer. A channel designed by Lacey's theory. Hello Prathamesh, hello Mayuri, good evening, good evening. Our channel designed by Lacey's theory has a mean velocity of 1 meter per second. The silt factor is unity. The hydraulic mean radius is going to be. Hello Binoy. Acha, so Binoy, I think you had messaged me, right? Okay, yeah, fine. I couldn't, call you back actually before after that 2 p.m. I had a meeting suddenly. I will definitely contact with you after this class. Okay, Binoy, fine. Hello Samrita, good evening. So let's see who's going to give the correct answer. Very easy question. We know R is equal to 5 by 2 V square by F, right? We have talked about this particular thing. R is equal to 5 by 2 V square by F. This was actually a check for this particular thing. So it's 5 by 2. Starting off with very easy questions. Velocity is 1 meter per second and silt factor is also unity. So it's 2.5 meter, right? So you can understand it. Next question is up on your screen. For medium silt whose average grain size is 0.16 mm, Lacey silt factor. Some 1 mark questions first of all. After that we are going to go towards the 2 mark questions and MSQ and NAT after this. Okay, very easy, ultra easy question. 1.76 root over TMM. So it is going to be simply 1.76 into root over 4. तो आप मुझे बता दो what is the possible answer. Only one possible answer is there, that is 0.7, right? Next question. The Lacey silt factor for a particular alluvium is 2.0. The alluvium would comprise of what? Quickly just hit the like button and share the session with other people so that everybody can enjoy the session. The Lacey silt factor for a particular alluvium is 2.0. The alluvium would comprise what? Okay. Medium sand of size 0.5 mm, coarse sand of size 0.75 mm, medium bajri of size 1.3 mm, coarse bajri of size 2.4 mm. Quickly. So again Lacey silt factor. तो इससे रिलेटेड बहुत सारे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आने के चांसेस है. यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. सो DMM is equal to 2 by 1.76 square, which is coming 1.3 mm. By the way, what is bajri? Do you know what is bajri? Bajri is kind of very small, stone chip type of thing. Actually, this is actually known as your bajri. Okay, that's why I provided a picture for you people, right? Next question is up on your screen. It is actually an MSQ question. It is an MSQ question, right? I was discussing this particular factors while discussing Lacey's theory, if you please recall, right? If you please recall, I was discussing this particular factor while discussing the Lacey's theory, that which of the following factor, this is an MSQ question by the way, right? So please be careful regarding this. First of all, they are saying silt factor, average size of silt particles, okay, which is correctly matched with the which one actually, that is basically the question is all about. So let's see who is going to give me the correct answer. Silt factor does not mean average size of the silt particles, right? Silt particle is 1.76 into root over dmm, so it is not average size of the silt particle. What is silt load? Silt load is volume of suspended sediments flowing with water in unit time. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Silt factor, silt load is the weight of the suspended solid. So this is absolutely wrong. Or actually silt load जो होता है मतलब ना, the concentration I would say, कितने amount of volume of suspended sediments flowing with water is a concentration type of आप बोल सकते हो, right? तो the correct option is, वो term को हम silt load बोलते ही नहीं है. We don't say that term as silt load. Okay, we say it as silt charge and silt grade. Silt load is the total amount of silt, that is the silt load, understanding? Silt charge is the weight of silt per unit volume of water. Hello Grishma, good evening. And silt grade is the gradation between different silt particles. These two are wrong, so the correct option is C and D, right? Understanding? Silt factor is not average size of the silt particle, right? Silt factor is this one, and silt load is also not volume of suspended sediments at all, right? It is the weight of suspended sediments with water in unit time, right? And silt charge is weight per unit volume, and silt grade is gradation. Next question. What is the regime scour depth for a channel in soil with silt factor of unity and carrying emitter? So that we didn't discuss actually in the morning, so I thought that let's discuss it right now. Regime scour depth is a particular formula. It has, its value is 1.35 q square by f to the power 1 by 3. I think everybody knows this is known as your regime scour depth. Okay, just you have to know this particular thing. The significance is that when we'll be talking about the, one second please, when we'll be talking about this particular Khoslas theory and other people actually, so there you will be able to find the significance of it, the piping, to prevent the piping, and how long is it actually able to scour and stuff. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों में ये काम आता है. 1.35 into q square by f to the power 3. What is the small q? That is the main thing. Small q is actually the discharge per unit length, right? Hello Keshav, hi, how are you? So it's q by b. Q is going to be what actually? Q is 8 meter, so something meter cube per second, suppose, I don't know. Okay, and b is meter per second, that is b. So you understanding, it's going to be meter square per second is going to be the unit properly, meter square per second, and इसीलिए जो दिया हुआ है which is actually given, it is discharge per unit length only. Silt factor is unity. So you understanding what is the answer, right? So 1.35 into 64 का cube root मतलब 5.4 meter, right? So the correct option is C. Next question is up on your screen. They are saying the channel section can be designed on the basis of the Lacey's theory. The steps are mentioned as follows. So which are the first steps? In the morning actually I have told you about the steps, right? That what we calculate first, after that we calculate what, etc, etc. So what is going to be the final answer according to you? Please let me know in the live chat section. Okay, आसानी के साथ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा इफ यू हैव फॉलोड माय मॉर्निंग लेक्चर. Absolutely correct, Ankita, on point, excellent. Harish, absolutely correct. So first of all, our job is to find out the f, because after that we calculate v, after that we calculate the area, and so on and so forth, right? After that we calculate the perimeter and something like that. All these things are there. So firstly the silt factor, because without calculating the silt factor you won't be calculate the velocity, qf square by 140 to the power 1 by 6. So you need the f value, right? So for getting that f value you need the silt factor. So it's starting from 3. Two options are there, either B or D. After that it's finding out the perimeter or finding out the area. So we know it that it's going to be the finding out the velocity first. So 3, 2, 4, 1, it's option D. I hope everybody has got it right. So after that we follow A is q by v, and this is 4.75 root over q, and we do that r thing and all, right? So that's all actually. So let's now move over to the next question, which is out over here. So the next question is up on your screen. Just one second. Next question ka kya ho gaya yaar? Why it's not coming? Okay, just one second please. Oh Bhagwan, kya ho ja raha hai? Yes, the next question is coming actually. The next question has come. Hello Wow, wow, wow. Kya baat hai. Hello, Meghna. Good evening. So that's nice actually, no? That is a regime channel will have side slopes of value 0.5 h is to 1 V raise. Lacey's regime formula is applicable to regime channels with sediment concentration more than. Hello, Meghna. Hello, Babu. What's that? Okay, right. That's nice. FV area P. That's nice. Hello, Dinesh. Good evening. So let's see actually that these are all 1 mark questions so far, whatever we are discussing, except the MSQ ones. This is also an MSQ question, by the way. This is also an MSQ question, by the way. Except these MSQ questions, all the other problems are 1 mark questions. After that, we will go into the 2 mark questions actually, right? So let's see firstly that who is going to give the correct answers to me in this particular question. Jaldi se jaldi, quickly, let me know in the live chat section that who is going to give me the correct answer to me. Everybody. So Binoy is saying D. No, it's an MSQ question, by the way. Binoy and other people, it is an MSQ question. So multiple option will be correct. Multiple option will be correct. I don't know. Okay, it can be also possible that, you know, one option is correct. I don't know. But dekhte hai, sir. A regime channel will have side slopes of value 0.5 h is to 1 V. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Actually, most of the regime channels, they have a value of this particular thing, that is your 0.5 h is to 1 V. Lacey's regime formula is applicable to regime channel sediment concentration less than 5000 ppm. It's not more than 5000 ppm, right? So whatever you can see, it's here, it's less than hone wala hai. This is correct. This is wrong. For a Lacey regime channel, the Manning's roughness coefficient estimated by Stickler's formula. Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong? What is Stickler's formula, by the way? By the way, what is Stickler's formula? Okay. The session timing, everyone, every day 6:30 p.m. Okay. This has been going for almost 7 days, right? More than 7 days, I guess. 8 days, 9 days. Okay. Fine. This is wrong, man. This is wrong. See, देखो देखो कितने छोटे छोटे चीजें देखो गलत कर रहे हो. Lacey's regime channel where Manning coefficient is coming in Lacey's regime channel. In Lacey's regime channel, where from Manning's coefficient. In the morning, I've told you. In the morning, I've told you Lacey's formula is an Atmanirbhar formula. That means it does not depend upon anybody. So it was Kennedy's regime channel. Look, one word was playing with your life, actually, understanding? So this is D. The mean velocity in a Lacey channel is proportional to r to the power 2 by 3. This is r to the power 2 by 3. Now, sir, you will tell me, sir, how in Lacey channel it is proportional to r to the power 2 by 3. That, sir, there is a particular value that I did not say today. That particular value is equal to V 10.8. एक घंटे में तो सब कुछ नहीं बता सकते ना. This is also one of the expressions of the mean velocity in a Lacey channel. Apart from that QF square by 140 to the power 1 by 6, understanding what I'm trying to say? So the mean velocity in a Lacey channel is proportional to r by 3, r to the power 2 by 3. It's absolutely correct, by the way, right? Everybody has got the question. Please let me know in the live chat section. So this is going to be the actual problem, I would say. एक बार जल्दी से जल्दी मुझे कमेंट करके बताना. Everyone just do comment whether you have understood this particular question. Whether you have understood this particular question. Everybody please once comment in the live chat section quickly. Everybody hit the like button and do share the session with other people. Then only I will move towards the 2-mark questions. Then only I will move towards the 2-mark questions for sure. Okay. So let's see that who is going to give me the correct answer to this next question. Good. An unlined canal is to be designed using Kennedy's theory for a discharge of 28 cubics. The canal side slopes are half and B by D. Yes. By the way, Stickler's formula. Yes. Thank you for reminding me, Keshav. This is the Stickler's formula. N is equal to 1 by 24 D to the power 1 by 6, right? So the point is that, yes, it's a pretty generalized thing. But normally, it's a notion that we follow. If nothing is mentioned in the question, we assume that its slope is 0.5 which is to 1V. In this slope, what I have seen that, I mean, it's a notion actually, right? That the skilting and souring is less or the least, I would say. So let's see that an unlined canal is to be designed using Kennedy's theory for a discharge of 28 cubics. The canal side slopes are half. B by D ratio is 7. If the critical velocity ratio is half, the required depth of the channel is very easy question. Let's see that who is going to give the correct answer. You know, in the morning I've discussed this type of questions that discharge is equal to area into velocity. What is the, it is Kennedy's theory, right? So what is the velocity, sir? Velocity is m into critical velocity ratio into 0.546 into d to the power 0.64. Everybody knows it. Okay, those people who did not attend the morning session, please do attend that after come to this class. Otherwise, sorry, I'm not going to explain all these things to you people right now. V is equal to 0.546 d to the power 0.64. Okay, how many of you people have attended my today's morning's class and also the transportation engineering class? Free sessions, 2 free sessions are going on. One is on highway engineering, one is on this. So everyone should attend these 3 sessions for me. Okay, everyone. Otherwise, this is not going to happen at all. Understanding what I'm trying to say? You have to be consistent. आपको रेगुलर रहना होगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आप एक दिन अटेंड किए फिर 7 दिन बाद अटेंड कर रहे हो. डज नॉट एट ऑल मीन एनीथिंग, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. ओके, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. और कुछ लोग मैं एक साथ में 7 सेशन देख लूंगा, कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आएगा. नथिंग यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एट ऑल, राइट? सो Q इज इक्वल टू A इंटू V. सर, यू नो व्हाट इज 28 एक्चुअली डिस्चार्ज. What is area, sir? Let me know in the live chat section. In terms of this particular thing, side slopes are 1 by 2. What do you mean by that, sir? Yes, आज करण अर्जुन भी आए थे. So please let me know in the live chat section actually what do you mean by this 1 by 2? What is the meaning? 1 by 2 का क्या मतलब है, sir? What is the meaning 1 by 2? Everybody. Yes. So side slopes are written as 1 by 2. Always the 1 is, most of the cases it is the vertical. It is the vertical. 1 vertical, 2 horizontal. 1 vertical, 2 horizontal. Biva n on that occasion is 2, not 0.5. Understanding? What you are writing is 0.5 h is to 1 v. Always the coefficient of h is the n value, right? So in this occasion n is 0.5. No, it's n is 2, right? If you are using that particular formula. Right, so you know that area is given by B plus ND into D, right? You people know this particular thing. B plus ND into D into velocity. What is the velocity, sir? That is 0.546. Now you tell me one thing. In place of N, what you are going to write? Please tell me. In place of N, what you are going to write? In place of N, you are going to write 2. In place of N, you are going to write 2. दो लिखने वाले हो, 1 vertical 2 horizontal, right? Okay, so it's 28 is equal to B. Now in the question they have told that B by D is equal to 7. So B by D is equal to 7. That is translating to B is equal to 7D. So it's 7D plus N. N is equal to 2 into D. Okay, into D into 0.546 D to the power 64. So in the right hand side of the equation you are watching, it's only D. Nothing else is there, right? So definitely you can see that half means 0.5 h is to 1 v. Who told you this particular thing? I don't know. मुझे पता नहीं. What do you mean by slope? No, this is a general question for all of you people I'm asking. Okay, this is a general question. All of you I'm asking you actually. What do you mean by slope? You tell me. Tan theta, right? Let's be very frank. Tan theta means slope. What is the meaning of tan theta? आप रटो मत, ठीक है? कोई भी चीज करे, ये मैंने उस बुक में देखा था. What is the meaning of slope? You tell me. Tan theta. You tell me. If this is theta, it is going to be vertical by horizontal or horizontal by vertical? 1 by 2. You tell me. Understanding? Your understanding will be complete. 1 by 2, 1 vertical, horizontal. तभी ना tan theta sir 1 half होगा. Understanding what I'm trying to say? Okay, fine. So please tell me over here, this is 28, this is 9D square. Okay, so 9 into 0.546 into D to the power 2.64. So please tell me what is the value of D from this equation, because only unknown left in the right hand side is your going to be this particular thing. So I think those people who didn't yet see the gate calculator videos and stuff, so definitely do watch that, and please practice all the things in gate calculator. Otherwise it becomes very difficult for both you and me to communicate. Okay, so the correct answer is 1.93. I would say the closest answer is B. The closest answer is B. The B is the correct answer, but not 2.07. I know that by applying n is equal to 0.5 you will get an answer 2.07. मुझे पता है but वो गलत है. Okay, जान लो इसको, because the reason is in front of you, right? Next question is will be up on your screen definitely. You understanding it? You understanding it everybody? Sir 2nd कहाँ पे sir 2nd दिख रहा है आपको? हाँ, where? Here b plus 2nd होता है. चलो देख लेते हैं, चलो देख लेते हैं. ओके ओके देख लेते हैं, चलो चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम, फाइन, लेट्स जस्ट सी इट ना once. So if this is D, sir, this is ND, this is also ND, right? This is B, this total is B plus 2ND. प्रूफ कर लोगे हमेशा, ठीक है ना? तो हाफ इंटू B plus 2ND इंटू D. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपिजियम. ये 2B 2ND, 2 कट गया, हो गया B plus ND इंटू D. ठीक है, तो कोई भी चीज़ रटो मत. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गेट द फीलिंग ऑफ इट, गेट द प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टैंडेबल, आफ्टर दैट डू इट. क्लियर है? ठीक है, चलो कोई नहीं, फाइन, यू गॉट द पॉइंट. दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. येस और नो? क्लियर? चलो, after that moving over to the very tricky type of question, very easy question I would say. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, fine. So moving over to the next problem. The next problem is up on your screen. Let's see. An unlined canal is to be designed as per Lacey's theory to carry a discharge of 50 cumecs in an alluvial soil of average soil particle of 0.39 mm. Side slope shall be of half h is to 1v. The required width of the channel is. Please do hit the like button everyone and share the session with other people. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer to me. Civil cruise answer याद था क्या? B. Okay, fine. I don't know whether it's B or not. Okay, fine. So let's see that who is going to give the correct answer to me in this case actually. Okay. Calculate करिए. The question is up on your screen. Manoj is saying A. Unlined canal they are saying is to be designed as per Lacey's theory to carry a discharge of 50 cubic. The required width of the channel they are asking you. Okay. So to find out the width, what is actually required as per you? क्या चाहिए sir? To find out the width, what is required? Width sir कहाँ पे आता है mainly? Where do you get this width term? I would say actually. Where do you get it? Sir, perimeter. Sir, perimeter. Do you get it? Yes or no? Let me know in the live section, sir. Do you get it in the perimeter? Yes or no? F निकालना है, फिर velocity, then after that area. Okay, area. अच्छा. Why? It doesn't come in perimeter? It also comes in perimeter, right? That is going to make the calculation much easier. Much easier, sir. You tell me, what is the perimeter of a? You can do it through area. It's just going to be a wastage of time. Okay, you can do it. Fine, I don't have any problem. Okay, but you are going to pay double the time, right? So half h is to 1v. Half h is to 1v. Understanding? That means when I am going up by 1, I am going horizontally by half, right? 4.75 root over q. Excellent. That is going to give me the weighted perimeter, right? So tell me, what is the value actually you are getting from here? This is B, right? Okay. So everybody knows everything, right? Everybody knows everything. Everybody knows the formula. Everybody knows the expressions. But nobody has given me the correct answer yet. That's the irony, I would say. If I ask you what is the perimeter, 4.75, what is the root over n square, सब बोल देंगे मुझे. Answer बताओ. Give me the answer, man. Final answer. Final answer give me. I don't want what is the perimeter, what is the depth, what is the this thing. I don't want. I want the answer required width. Quickly. This is B. Okay. What are you talking about? 33.59 क्या है? Is this the question which is asked in the question? Out of this 4, the answer will be 1. Out of this 4, the answer will be 1. Your answers are not matching. 33.75, 33.59. I don't know what it is. I want the answer final. Quickly. Give it to me. Fine. So Manoj has finally answered. It's 33.07. C is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Let's see it. Very good. Half h is to 1v. Okay. So if this is B, suppose you don't know any formula. This is D. तो it is 0.5d, it is also 0.5d, so it is d into 0.5d actually, so it is going to be 1.12d, this is also 1.12d. So the total perimeter you are getting 1.12d plus b plus 1.12d. Many people who I'm sure they will ask me where from this 1.12d is coming for them, because I know that there are many people out here who didn't attend the sessions. They directly come and they think that they will understand everything. For them it is, so it is d, this is 0.5. So the root over square root of this thing is d square plus 0.5d whole square, that is 1.12d. From here it is coming. समझ में आया? चलो, this plus this, this plus this plus this. Okay, this is the total weighted perimeter 2.24d plus b. This is from the figure, but from Lacey's theory we also know one more formula for p directly, 4.75 into root over q. What is this particular formula saying? Q is the discharge root over 50, 2.24 into d plus b. Now sir, where to get the d from and where to get the b from? Sir, कहाँ से मिलेगा this particular thing? Where from we will get the d, where from we will get the b? Would you please tell me sir, where from you will get the d, where from you will get the b? कहाँ से मिलेगा sir? How are you saying it's C actually? Have you calculated the entire D value? Because you have to calculate the D on that occasion, right? That will be a very big problem. So I'm suppose giving you a value of D. Say D is suppose 1.9 meter, which is there. Yes, exactly. Otherwise you have to calculate it, which we have done in the morning. So you can refer to the morning classes for that actually, that how I have calculated the depth. Okay. So suppose, just to make the problem shorter, this is suppose given. From here you are calculating b. 4.75 into root over 50 minus 2.24 into 1.9. So it is given 29.33 meter. So the correct option is option D, not option C. Everybody got it? Understood the concept, everyone? Let me know in the live chat section actually. So this was actually the equation which was given over there. First of all, you have to calculate what is the depth. So for the calculation of the depth, it's a huge process. That's why I'm not recommending you right now. You can do it definitely. Arey Harish, you don't attend the morning sessions, man. Okay, in the morning session, same problem is being done. Right, exactly that. How to find out the depth and how to find out the width. Same problem is being done in the morning session. Go and watch that out. Okay, so you will get the final answer as D is equal to 1.9. Just check that out in the morning session. That's why I say you ना कि 11 AM पहले अटेंड करो, उसके बाद 6:30 PM. तो फिर लास्ट प्रॉब्लम देखो जाके, फिर किए ही नहीं हो फिर ढंग से. It's a good, yes, it's going to be a quadratic equation, BDS. Last problem was exactly like this. क्या किए हो दिख रहा है मुझे. D is equal to 1.9. How is it coming? It's just an evident thing that area you have to calculate first of all, right sir? Area first of all. Hello Varsha, good evening after a long time. आप एग्जाम देने गए थे ना या फिर एग्जाम देने जा रहे हो अभी? हरीश जी क्या हो रहा है देखिए, एरिया निकालना होगा आपको. एरिया, हाउ द एरिया आई एम गेटिंग that suppose it is B, this is all these things, so area you are getting actually is B into ND into D. From here sir, N is equal to 0.5, तो B plus 0.5 D into D, इससे सर आपको एरिया मिल रहा है. व्हाट इज द एरिया यू विल गेट फ्रॉम दिस बाय द वेलोसिटी. वेलोसिटी आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, QF स्क्वायर बाय 140 टू द पावर 1/6. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द इक्वेशन, दिस इज वन ऑफ द इक्वेशन. Out of these two equations you have to solve B and D both, and from them you have to say what is the value of D, and you will get it as 1.9 meter, right? That you have to put here, and sir you will calculate what is the B value. Understanding? This is the full story I would say, right? फिर भी मैंने बता दिया आपको, but just check the morning session. Last problem same thing is being done, okay, over here. Last problem देख लो morning session का, right? चलो देख लो जरूर. Fine. So we will just move on to the next problem. No sir, exam 8 अगस्त को है. अच्छा, नानी के पास, चलो अच्छी बात है. So we will be just moving on to the next question. Just in 1 second. 1 second please. So everybody, those people who did not understand that how 1.9 is coming and etc something like that, so I will recommend definitely to all of you people, go and watch the 11 am class last problem. The last problem is done exactly like this. Next problem is up on your screen. They are saying an unlined canal is designed for a discharge of 12 meter cube per second if the silt factor is 1 and the width of canal is 10 meter. The scour depth as per Lacey's formula, just a little while ago I have described what is Lacey's scour depth formula. It's 1.35 q square by f to the power 1 by 3. Harish, please watch the last problem, right? And the other people also. Hello Varsha. Yes, so Varsha, please answer this question. The what is the scour depth? नानी के वहाँ आंसर थोड़ी होता है. हेलो अनन्ना, हाई, आई एम फाइन. हाउ आर यू एक्चुअली? बारिश में कैसे हो? ओके, so 1.35 q square by f to the power 1 by 3. This is discharge. Sorry, Lacey's scour depth. So Lacey's scour depth is going to be equal to this, which is given to your q square by f. What is small q? Small q is not 12 meter cube per second. It is the discharge per unit width. So it is 1.2 meter cube per second per meter, right? So it is 1.2 square by f. Silt factor is given as 1 to the power 1 by 3. So from here I am going to get 1.35. Okay, 1.2, 2 by 3. So it's coming 1.52 meters. So the nearest answer I would say is option A. The nearest answer I would say is option A. But please, once again I'm telling you, just see the this particular thing, that is your that gate calculator video, and just do accordingly. उसी के अनुसार जो करना है सर करो, right? Understanding, that is the main thing I just would like to say to all of you people, right? So one more problem we will just do, that is based on, that will be based on definitely your Lacey's theory. Lacey's theory के ऊपर बेस करके ही सर होगा. But should I give a problem on your this particular thing, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, quadratic equation that we had done? Based on that also we can do some problem, right? The quadratic equation thing that we had done, because have you watched that particular thing, that how to solve a quadratic equation using जो मैंने बोला था आपको, how to solve a quadratic equation using gate calculator? Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Anybody? Yes or no? If yes, then please give a thumbs up. If you haven't seen, then please tell me. Okay, chalo, then please watch it. Next question is up on your screen. The bed slope of an unlined irrigation channel is 1 in 5800 and average silt particle size is 0.323 mm. As per Lacey's theory, the total area of cross section required for the channel is. Nice question for you people. Let's see who is going to give the right answer. Very easy question, but at the same time a little bit of tricky, I would say. Tricky तो बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, मतलब आसान ही है. But you have to know what are the formulas for Lacey's theory. A little bit of calculation is definitely involved over here. So I'm ready to see that who is going to give me the perfect answer to this question. Anybody in the live chat section? Slope is given, average silt size is given, area of cross section is required. Whenever area of cross section is coming to your mind, so just think in which of the step I have done area of cross section. Sir, for area of cross section I require discharge and velocity. I neither have discharge nor have velocity, so I will have to calculate both of them. For calculating the discharge, is slope formula sufficient? Think about it. And also for calculating of velocity, once you know discharge, once you know the F, I think you will be able to calculate the V value. These two things are actually required. और तो कुछ चाहिए नहीं question के लिए, right? So please let's see that who is going to give the correct answer to me in this regard. Okay, let's see, sir, who is going to give the correct answer to me in this regard. Sir, 1 in 5800. So what are you wanting? A. For A you require Q and V. Sir, what was the formula for slope? That was f to the power 5 by 3 by 3340 q to the power 1 by 6. Do you remember? Sir, f do you know? Yes, not directly, but indirectly, yes, I know. So what is the answer coming? So it is exactly 1. Very good. So 1 to the power 5 by 3, 3340 to the power q to the power 1 by 6. So here, sir, you know everything except q. So can you calculate q? Yes, sir, we can calculate q. And if you know q and if you know the f, so you can be also calculating what is the discharge velocity qf square by 140 to the power 1 by 6. So only two things are required. Here from you will get q, you have already got f, so you will be calculating v. हो गया, यही तो दोनों चीज चाहिए था आपको. Understood all the concepts? Please let me know in the live chat section, everybody. Clear हुआ हाँ या ना? First tell me this thing whether you have understood what to be done or not. After that we will go into the problems in detail. First of all, tell me whether you have understood it, yes or no. Clear, got the concept, everybody? Chalo, good. So from here, tell me what is the q value. Sir, you are getting q is equal to q. No, q is equal to the q. Okay, so q is going to be equal to 5800. q इधर आ जाएगा सर, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, divide by 3340 to the power 6. So I'm getting 27.42 exactly, Sashank. Very good. 27.42 meter cube per second. And if you already have, so V man you already have 27.42 qf square by 140 to the power 1 by 6. So what is the answer? You are getting 1 by 6. So you are getting 0.762 meter per second. बस यही तो दोनों चीजें चाहिए था आपको. 27.42, 0.762. Now whatever be the answer, you will calculate and let me know in the live chat section. It is coming 35.984, which is close to 36 meter square. Everybody got the concepts? Should we do one more problem of this type? Let's see whether you have really understood or not. Okay, same type of problem it is. Let's see whether you can calculate it, yes or no. Let's see whether you can calculate it, yes or no. Very simple problem. Okay, only a little bit of, I would say, understanding is there. Let's see who can solve this question. Simple, absolutely same type of problem, but I want it in half of the time that you had taken for the previous problem. I want it to be done in half of the time that you have taken for the previous problem to be done. Very easy question, same type of question. Okay, let's see who is going to give the correct answer to me. Why so much of time? And come on, Lacey silt factor is given, right? Slope is given. Again, area is required. So area, you know, is discharge by velocity. Again, you require the discharge, you have the velocity. So for calculating the discharge, what are you going to calculate? F, you already have here 3340 q to the power 1 by 6. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer to me. Final answer दे दीजिए मुझे यहाँ पे, which is the correct answer. A, B, C, D, just write to me what is that. Okay, yes, Prathamesh is saying B, F 3340 q to the power 1 by 6. So if I'm talking about q, so I am getting 0.9 to the power 5 by 3 into 5000 divided by 3340 to the power 6. So I am getting 3.924, right? 3.924 q mech, I would say. This is the discharge I am getting. Okay, and what is the velocity? Velocity is qf square by 140 to the power 1 by 6. Q is equal to 3.92 square, 0.9 square divided by 140 to the power 1 by 6. So let's see, 3.924 into 0.81 divided by 140 to the power 1 by 6. So the correct answer is 0.532 meter per second. So it's 3.924 divided by 0.532. This is meter cube per second. This is meter per second. 3.924 by 0.532. The correct answer is 7.376. It's coming. So 7.38 meters square. So the correct option is option B. Have you got the concept? Please let me know in the live chat section whether you have understood the concepts, yes or no. Clear for all of you? Is it clear for all of you? Yes or no? Quickly give a thumbs up based on if you have understood and understood or didn't. Okay, moving on to the next question, which is up on your screen. They are saying an irrigation channel is designed with a bed slope of 1 in 6410 and side slopes of good. Thank you everybody. Okay, chalo, good. Please tell me what is the correct answer here. An irrigation channel is designed with a bed slope of 1 in 6410 and bed side slopes of this. The silt factor is 1, depth of flow is 2 meter. What is the width of the channel? Very easy question. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Yes, Mayuri, tell me what is the correct answer going to be in this occasion. Irrigation channel bed slope is given to you, side slope is also given to you, silt factor is also given to you. They have also given the depth of the flow. They are asking you the width of the flow. So what to be done? What is coming on to your mind? This problem can be solved in two ways, two different ways. You can solve in any one of them. Obviously, I will choose the easier one. What is that? Suppose if you know the perimeter, the weighted perimeter, right? If you know the weighted perimeter of this canal, you know already the depth. So can you please calculate what is the width? Tell me. If you know the weighted perimeter of the canal, you know the depth. So can you calculate what is the width? Absolutely, sir. We can calculate what is the width. No problem. To calculate the weighted perimeter as per Lacey's theory, as obviously it's designed as per Lacey's theory because silt factor comes only Lacey's theory. 4.75 root over Q. Understanding everyone, let me know. So only thing you want is this discharge. If you have the discharge with you, you can solve the question, right? Because for 0.5 H is to 1 V, you know what is the weighted perimeter. The weighted perimeter is given by this. Okay, weighted perimeter is given by B plus 2D into root over of 1 plus N square, right? So actually it is in this occasion, since your N is 0.5, so it's 2D into 1 plus 0.25, which is B plus 2.24D. This is the perimeter, weighted perimeter. So just equate this to this, but you require discharge. To calculate the discharge, sir, again slope is given to you, and just a little while ago I have told you how to calculate discharge from slope. So it's F to the power 3 by 3, 5 by 3, this particular thing. So F is given as 1, very good. So Q is going to be 6410 divided by 3340 to the power 6. So tell me what is the answer you are getting. That is, 6410 into 1 by 3340 to the power 6. That means I am getting 49.96. If I am not wrong, I am getting 49.965 if I am not wrong. Okay, itna meter cube per second, right? So what is the perimeter? 4.75 into 49.965. So into 4.75. So this is going to give you 33.576 meter. This is the weighted perimeter, but this is not asked in the question. They have asked the width. So you know the perimeter can also be written like this: B plus 2D into root over of 1 plus N square, right? So B plus 2D, D is what, sir? 2 meter, into root over of 1 plus N square. N is this. So already we have calculated it, sorry. B plus 2.24D. That is, sir, the weighted perimeter, and that is equal to 33.576. So D is given to you 2.24 into 2. So from here you will be able to get that B is equal to 33.576 minus 4.48, which is close to 29.10 meter. Everybody understood the concepts? Please do give a thumbs up based on whether you have understood the question or not. Based on whether you have understood the question or not, just to give a thumbs up, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's go for the next problem. The next problem is up on your screen. Hello, Amar. Okay, good evening. Let's see that who's going to give the correct answer. The next question is, in a Lacey regime channel, the discharge is 100 meter cube per second and the longitudinal slope is 0.002. The average diameter of the particles in the bed is in mm. How? Up to 3 decimal places. You have to write the answer. Let's see who is going to give me the correct answer to me on this occasion. Very simple question. Longitudinal slope is given to you. That means basically the bed slope is given to you. Discharge is also given to you. What you have to calculate is the average diameter of the particles. Where from you will get? Sir, we know slope is 0.0002. That means 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. That is equal to f to the power 5 by 3 by 340 into q to the power 1 by 6. So from here, if I can calculate what is the value of f, I will also be able to calculate what is the value of d, because we know that f is equal to 1.76 root over dmm. So I know slope, I know q, so I will be able to calculate f. So if I am able to calculate f, I will also be able to calculate what is the d. No confusion. Okay, let's see. So here the f should be f to the power 5 by 3 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4, 3340 into 100 to the power 1 by 6. Okay, so you are watching over here 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 3340 into 100 to the power 1 by 6. Okay, to the power 0.6, it is going to be 1.244 if I am not wrong, sir, right? It is coming 1.244 meter. Okay, 1.244, sorry, not meter, right? So if I just put it over here, 1.244, that is 1.76 root over dmm. So the dmm is coming actually is 1.244 by 1.76, sorry, is ka whole square. So it is coming. So many people are answering in different fashions. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. The actual answer is coming, 0.4996. This is the actual answer coming, right? Now you are asked to find out up till 3 decimal places. So what will you write? If you round it up to 3 decimal places, the answer is 0.500, right? Not 0.49 mm. Frankly speaking, in this question, this was a gate question actually. In this question, even not a range was given, just for this reason कि कुछ लोग 0.499 लिखेंगे, कुछ लोग 0.500 लिखेंगे. The correct answer is 0.500. You are awarded 2 marks. If you are writing 0.499, even after solving the question, you will get 0. Trust me. Understanding? This was the level of accuracy, man, which is required in GATE, because you are awarded with a calculator. Understanding? और इतना तो सबको अकल है भाई कि 0.4996 को मैं राउंड ऑफ करूंगा तो 0.499 नहीं होगा वो. That is going to be 0.500. I think you are mature enough to do this, right? Understand this. 0.500, right? So this is actually, you have to see, and it's not 0.5 Savita anyhow, right? So up to 3 decimal places when it is written, you have to write it's 0.500. Suppose you are writing 0.5, a human is not checking it, a computer is checking it. Computer is instructed to see up till 3 decimal places, you will check the value, but computer is unable to check up till 3 decimal places. What it will do? It will think simply your answer is wrong. It's not a human being, again and I am telling you. So it will simply put the answer wrong and award you with 0 marks. Thank God it's an NAT type question, so no negative marking. Understanding the point. So be very, very careful regarding the small nitty-gritties. Okay, so that's all for today. Actually, tomorrow's class schedule, if I talk about, okay, मेरे तरह रविंद्र जडेजा दिखता है अच्छा अच्छा अच्छी बात है fine. So Panda ji, actually what is happening that 3 parallel classes are going on just for a schedule I want to give you. That is 10 a.m. highway engineering. Tomorrow's topic is traffic engineering, although it's written signal design, but actually total traffic engineering is going to be discussed tomorrow. Highway engineering, that is traffic engineering, is going to discuss tomorrow 10 a.m. concept plus problem. After that 11 a.m. the last class for irrigation, I guess the last class for irrigation, I don't remember actually. I guess the last class for irrigation. Okay, last class for irrigation is tomorrow 11 a.m. and after that at 6:30 p.m. again the problem solving session, last problem solving session on irrigation. Okay, session on irrigation. All the links are available in my Telegram group, but before that definitely do join the Gradeup Super, where 50% flat discount is going on, where you can definitely do join Gradeup Super for the best possible courses in the most affordable rate. Okay, join my Telegram group Civil by Aniruddha Roy, and all the faculties are relentlessly performing towards you people's success to ensure your success. So definitely do join me live, everyone. Thank you for being here for so long. Take care everybody, and all the links are provided to my Telegram group Civil by Aniruddha Roy, so definitely do join. मैं सर काला अरे ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. Okay, fine. So definitely 100 plus gradients were there in top 100, right? 100 plus gradients were there in top 100 and 10 plus gradients were there in top 10. So you can be definitely one of them in this particular thing. So definitely I will be wishing you all the very best. I think you people know that GATE 2022 dates have already been released, right? So, and also from September the form fill up is also going to get started, तो आप लोग जानते होंगे definitely. So Gradeup green card, if you want to take that also, it's available, which is offering you 200 plus mock tests. Online mock tests all are going to be designed by the toppers of the examination, that is GATES, and based on the latest exam pattern. 9650052904, this is the number, 9650052904. Call in this number and get yourself enriched by the concepts as well as problems. Unlimited number of times you can play the lectures, unlimited access to all structured live courses and mock tests, everything at 50% off, means only at 22,000 something for ESC 2022 up till ESC 2022. all courses, practice courses, AE level कोर्स के लिए सर AE सब्सक्रिप्शन है सर, AE फाउंडेशन. The best courses for AE is AE foundation. You can take Gradeup. Just call in this number 9650052904. They will tell you what are the courses available. There also 50% off is going on, so you can definitely go for that AE and JE foundation course. Okay, so you can go over there. I don't exactly remember what is the exact cost for it, but it's after 50% off. I think it's going to be around 15,000, 12,000, 15,000. I mean all courses, everything. Okay, let me just check it out once for you people. Okay, that what is the exact cost I am getting over here? The exact cost I am telling you. After this Gradeup super discount which is going to happen over here, it's going to be around your, oh my god, it's only 7,000. It's only 7,000. It's unbelievable, man. 1 year only 7,400 rupees, which is incredibly low. AE and JE, all courses. I remembered कि ये 15,000 के करीब कुछ था, पर 50% ऑफ अभी चल रहा है, तो it is you are getting it at 7,400. Incredibly low, man. Come on, you can take it out. Gradeup Super for AE JE, it's only at 7,400. That is, man, very, very low. Right. Chalo, thank you for being here for so long. Bye bye, take care. And I'm meeting you tomorrow at 10 a.m. with the traffic engineering concepts and problems. By that time, in case you haven't watched my lectures today, definitely watch those, because those lectures may get removed after a few days. That's why. Okay, thank you, bye bye, meeting you tomorrow. This is Aniruddha signing off from the largest live learning platform of India. Take care, guys.